everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we are going to be unboxing the Precuts Classic Quilt Box. These are monthly subscription boxes that are full of sewing, quilting, patterns, notions, all kinds of goodies. I will put a link in the description box below where you can get the Precuts Classic Quilt Box, and they also offer a couple other types of boxes as well. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So here's what the box looks like this month. It's super cute. And then inside they have this little handout that tells us all about our box and the cost for all of the items and all of that. There's also some coupons on here. There's a 30% off coupon and free shipping on any orders over $35, and so that's kind of nice. And then they do a sharing as well, and so if you share your boxes and use hashtag Precuts Quilt Box or hashtag Precuts Quilt Shop, you'll be entered to win a drawing to get a box free the following month, it sounds like. So I think those are all the details. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside this month's box. Okay, I'm going to start off with some of the littler items in here. This is the pattern for this month, and it's the Dutchman's Puzzle by Kate Griffin. This is retailing for $2, and the finished quilt is actually 70 by 70, so it is a really good size quilt, and this is layer cake friendly, and they show you how to go through and make quite a few flying geese and then organize them into this fun pattern. The next thing in this month's box is a flexible rubber thimble by Clover, and these are really nice because they're flexible down here on this end, but then they have that steel tip on them, so it makes it really nice. The elastic is fairly soft, but then you still get the strength of a metal thimble cap. And this one retails for $8.95. I definitely keep a stash of these around because I do a lot of either hand quilting or embroidery on some of my blocks as well, and so these are perfect for that. The next thing we have here is this silk finish 50 weight solid cotton thread, 164 yards, and it says Brickby. I think that might be the color. This is by Metler, and these are great for all quilting, sewing, and long arm cotton needs. Retails for $3.35, and it's kind of this nice burnt orangey kind of color. All right, I have to scoot back for this next one. This is a fun little tote bag by Moda. And this is their canvas catnip tote bag, and ideal for carrying all of your sewing needs for retreats or sewing groups. And these retail at $14.99 each. And then here is the back, so you can kind of see that. It's super cute. And then, like I kind of showed you before, it just has these black straps on top, and then it's just an open canvas bag in the middle there. So these are a good size too, by the way. I just measured it for you really quick, and it's about 14 inches wide by 16 inches high. And then it does have a little kind of boxed bottom on the bottom here. So these are good size bags. So super cute. All right, next we have 3/4 yard Hedge Rose garden fabric in the blue colorway, and it has small red and blue flowers scattered on a soft blue background. This looks like it's retailing for $9. I'm assuming at 3/4 yard you could possibly use this for the binding on the quilt pattern that I just showed you. So either way, it's super fun, cute fabric. All right, and then last up we have a Hedge Rose 10-inch stacker. This fabric is by Kelly Panacci. It's 42 10-inch stackers for, let's see, Penny Rose Fabrics is who the manufacturer is, and it looks like it retails for $43.26. And she did say on there that since April 1st, Riley Blake Fabrics have increased their price by 3 cents. So if you're kind of wondering why a stacker suddenly costs $43, it's interesting that they put that on there. I didn't actually know that. I don't want to take this guy apart because it's in such a pretty roll, but I will kind of go through some of the fabrics for you here so that you can see them. Definitely some really cute florals. Light blue background, some more florals. Oh, look at those little dots. Those are cute. I'm kind of skipping some too in here, guys. Sorry, these are hard to flip. And then it looks like it moves into kind of a navy background. Those navy dots are really cool, and that is kind of a gradient background also, not a solid. Those ones are cute. Skipped some more flowers. There's some reds in here. Oh, I skipped a bunch of the reds. Let's go back a little bit. And then they've got a white background. Oh, this print looks really pretty. Some larger flowers. There's that similar kind of smaller flower but white background. Some dots. Those are little red dots on there. And I think that's about it. There we go. Here's the end, so you can kind of see all of the color variations that this little roll goes through. And then again, here is the spin. So this is a nice heavy stacker, you guys. 42 fabrics in here, and they're all 10 by 10 inch squares. And then again, this is the Hedge Rose line. Okay, so that's everything that came in our box this month. They also include the shipping cost, just so you know how much it cost for them to ship it. It's $8.50 for shipping. So the total box value for this month is $90.05. And then it does have information on here if you want to make the pattern. It looks like you'll need a little bit of extra of the white for the background fabric, and then backing and batting. And then otherwise you can use, I'm assuming this would be for the binding of the quilt, so you can use the stacker and the fabric for the top and binding. All right, and that's it for this month's box, you guys. So far, I think overall I've been pretty pleased with the contents of these boxes. They always put pretty interesting things in there. A lot of times there are things I haven't seen, and I feel like the boxes are pretty well full. I don't ever feel like I'm opening up like a half empty box or anything. So that's everything that came in this month's box. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I like doing these videos for you. That way you can see what comes in these boxes before you order them for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.